morning, students. Today we will discuss about units of memory. Units of memory. Memory is the storage element where we store data, information, and programs that can be used later in a computer. Like other fundamental units in physics, kilogram for mass, meter for length, second for time, computer has also certain units to measure the memory. The smallest unit is called as bit. The smallest storage element of a computer, the smallest unit of memory is called as bit. Bit means binary digit. It represents either 0 or 1. 0 is a bit, 1 is a bit. 0 represents off state. This is called as on state. It is also called as low voltage. It is called as high voltage. High voltage. 0 represent false value, 1 represent true value. So 0 and 1 is the smallest unit of memory. The next unit is nibble. N-I-B-B-L-E. Nibble. Nibble means it consists of 4 bits. So any combination of 4 bits is called as 1 nibble. 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 like this. This is called as nibble. 1 nibble means 4 bits of memory. Next unit is byte. 1 byte of memory represents 8 bits. So 8 bits, 1 byte equal to 8 bits. You can say 2 to the power 3 bits equal to 2 nibbles. So 2 nibbles constitutes 1 byte. Next higher unit is kilobyte. Kilobyte. KB. 1 kilobyte of memory is equal to 1024 byte. You can say 2 to the power 10 bytes because 1 byte equal to 2 to the power 3 bits. So you can say 2 to the power 10 into 2 to the power 3 bits. It is equal to 2 to the power 13 bits. So 1 kilobyte of memory equal to 1024 bytes of memory, means 2 to the power 13 bits of memory. Next is megabyte. Megabyte. MB. 1 MB equal to 1024 kilobyte. 1024 KB equal to 2 to the power 10 KB. 1 KB equal to 2 to the power 10 bytes. So it is equal to 2 to the power 10 into 2 to the power 10 byte. 1 byte equal to 2 to the power 3 byte bits. 2 to the power 20 into 2 to the power 3 bits equal to 2 to the power 23 bits. So 1 megabyte is equal to 2 to the power 23 bits or 2 to the power 20 bytes or 2 to the power 23 bits. Next higher unit is gigabyte. 1 gigabyte, 1 GB. 1 GB equal to 2 to the power 10 MB. 2 to the power 20 KB. 2 to the power 30 byte. 2 to the power 33 bits. So 1 GB of memory represents 1024 byte MB of memory. Next, TB, terabyte. 1 terabyte equal to 2 to the power 10 GB, 1024 GB equal to 2 to the power 20 MB equal to 2 to the power 30 KB equal to 2 to the power 40 byte equal to 2 to the power 43 bits. So you can represent any memory into different units, be it byte, kilobyte, megabyte in this way. Next unit is petabyte. Petabyte. Petabyte represents 1 petabyte PB. 1 petabyte PB equal to 2 to the power 10 TB, 2 to the power 20 GB, 2 to the power 30 MB, 2 to the power 40 KB, 2 to the power 50 byte or 2 to the power 53 bits. Next, most of us now we are using only petabyte, up to petabyte. Other units are higher units are also there. 1 exabyte, 1 EB equal to 2 to the power 10 PB, 2 to the power 20 TB, 2 to the power 30 GB, 2 to the power 40 MB, 2 to the power 50 KB, 2 to the power 60 byte, 2 to the power 63 bits. This is the next unit of memory. Another unit of memory is jottabyte, ZB, jottabyte. 1 ZB equal to 2 to the power 10 EB, 2 to the power 20 PB, 2 to the power 30 TB, 2 to the power 40 GB, 2 to the power 50 MB, 2 to the power 60 KB, 2 to the power 70 byte, 2 to the power 73 bits. Next unit is 1 yottabyte. Yottabyte. Yottabyte 1 YB equal to 2 to the power 10 ZB, 20 EB, 30 PB, 40 TB, 50 GB, 60, 2 to the power 60 MB, 70 KB, 80, 2 to the power 80 byte, 2 to the power 83 bits. Another last higher unit is brontobyte. 1 brontobyte equal to 2 to the power 10 yottabyte equal to 2 to the power 10 ZB, 2 to the power 20 2 to the power 10 YB, 2 to the power 20 ZB, 2 to the power 30 EB, 2 to the power 40 PB, 2 to the power 50 GB TB, 2 to the power 60 GB, 2 to the power 70 MB, 2 to the power 80 KB, 2 to the power 90 byte, 2 to the power 93 bits. So this is the highest unit of memory. So the smallest unit of memory is bit. Bit represents 1 and 0. Next is nibble, 4 bits. Next is byte, that represents 8 bits. 1 kilobyte, 2 to the power 10 byte. 1 megabyte, 2 to the power 10 kilobyte. 1 GB, 2 to the power 10 MB. 1 TB, 2 to the power 10 GB. 1 PB, petabyte, 2 to the power 10 TB. 1 exabyte EB, 2 to the power 10 PB. 1 jottabyte, 2 to the power 10 PB, 2 to the power 10 EB. 1 yottabyte, 2 to the power 10 ZB. 1 brontobyte, 2 to the power 10 YB. This is all about your memory unit. Thank you.